Here's the shrimp. Hi.
Every day it's blowing 20.
Yeah.
We got a bucket of live shrimp today. Mangroves and tarpon. Tarpon like this, mangroves like this.
I'm gonna catch my first tarpon today.
There's a couple points and little bays here. Guessing I'm fishing in like 4 feet of water. That cove I saw a tarpon right where you see that little pocket there is. I saw tarpon roll in that area too, so. Babe. Big fish. It's a nice red, man. This would be my first Florida Keys redfish of all things. You know, I was talking to Meg how I haven't seen a redfish out here yet. And I know they're around, but they can be pretty elusive sometimes. He's 26 and a half, so he's definitely a slot. I'm okay with keeping a red, but we should see a snapper or two, and we don't have much ice. That means we gotta get out of here soon. You know what I'm saying? Especially if we got some fish around. That's cool. It's my first Florida Keys redfish. Oh God. Come over, babe.
What is it?
Snook, a little one.
Oh, cool. Red teeth?
Nope. Little guy. He's a nice little dinker, but he counts in my book. Yeah, they are pretty. They're not available in North Carolina. Nope.
Yeah.
Couple fish here. All right, that's a Florida Keys snook. Not as big as the one from last week, but still a Florida Keys snook. Go for it. Let him eat it. Let him eat it. Let him eat it.
Oh my God.
Got him. You got him.
What? Yeah, I think I got him. What do you think it is? Is it? Oh. Is it? It is a mangrove. Yay! Hi! I don't think it's big enough to keep, but...
That's all right, we can put it back. We found some fish. That's sometimes more important
I know.
than the first fish, how big he is.
Ugh.
Fine. Yeah, we'll put him back. There's some bigger ones in here than that.
Yeah. Bye! Woohoo! Caught my first fish.
High fives.
You want my slimy high five?
That's fine. Perfect. They're probably cruising a little bit through this area. That's my guess.
Yeah.
Oh. Get him. Get him. Let's stick him. Real tight, real. He's on the water.
Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Oh my God! Are you serious? Oh my God! Holy crap! Oh, I gotta tighten it.
Yeah, I tighten it.
Oh my God! I'm not.
That'll be good. Let him keep jumping. Keep him away from the kayak because
Okay.
he's jumping and he's gonna get you.
Oh my God! I'm not. Oh shit!
What's gonna happen?
Oh my God!
It's gonna happen quite a few of them. You're a little tangled up there, but you got.
That was amazing! I've never done that! Oh my God! That was so exciting. I probably scared all the fish away with my yells.
That's okay.
Oh my God!
Told you I saw some tarpon.
What if I actually get one in the boat?
Good. That's not out of the realm possible. Alright, Meg hooked the tarpon.
Oh! You can't put him into the kayak?
Over 40 inches. That was probably like a 30 incher.
Oh,
so
okay.
he would be okay.
Oh my God. Oh. It's gone. Oh my god. I have something. What's that? Okay. All right, Mr. Cooter. Oh my god. Oh. I did it. Look, I caught a barracuda. Look at his teeth. Okay, goodbye. 10% rain, they say. Oh, we need shelter like the fish. Holy crap. Oh. Can y'all see? It's raining pretty bad. There it goes, lightening up.
I could. All right, I'll let you relax. Hang on. Oh, it's
Sounds like rocks.
It sounds like rocks. It is a rock. That's rock right here. I don't think I'm getting in there. Oh, we got a bite. Look.
Is it a good one? Is it a good one?
Something good.
What is it? Mangrove?
Mangrover.
Ooh, is it big enough?
I don't think so, but it's still a good sign. I didn't slip, did I? I pulled it out.
Yeah. Yeah. Crazy that there's sun right now.
I know, we just got blown away by pouring rain for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And now we're in nice sun.
Sweatshirt's soaking wet.
Soaking wet. Feels like the wind kind of laid back. You're gonna have a little sandwich while I fish a shrimp?
Yep.
All right.
There you are.
What we got? What did Meg pack?
Turkey and bread.
Turkey and bread. My favorite.
Whoa. Oh.
He's angry. He's not big.
Is it good? Oh.
Yeah, he's just angry. He's like, I want it, I want it, I want it.
Oh,
Oh, we got a grunt.
ew.
That's what it is. A grunt. Grunt.
Yeah. Hey, grunt.
That's the Key West grunt.
They're pretty.
They are pretty. I don't know if they get that much bigger than that.
Oh no.
The Key West grunts?
I don't know.
Almost got in that mangrove real close there. Oh, he got it. He went down with it instantly.
Is it a big fish?
No, I think he spit it out. Where is he?
Huh?
Oh, it was a good fish. Oh, he's on there still. Oh, a little tarpon.
Oh my god.
That's a little tarpon.
It's so cool. It flips.
Oh, he's gonna go crazy here. Get ready.
God. Really?
Yep. The little one. Yours was bigger than that.
Cool. Dang, they're so shiny.
This is a real juvenile.
It's a baby.
He's a bebe.
Whoa, his eyeballs are huge.
Yeah, they are pretty big. I got you.
Oh,
Yay!
cool.
A little tarpon.
Oh, they're so pretty and
Silver.
extremely shiny.
Silver King.
Oh.
Bye.
Yay, good job.
High fives.
Oh, I got it. Oh, I got one. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, what? Oh, he's not flipping. He can't be a tarpon. What is it? Oh, it's a big mangrove. Look, that's dinner, baby. Yeah. It's like, dang, that's solid. That's a big one. Hey, buddy. at it.
You got it. He's definitely a good time.
Oh.
Oh, man. High five.
Oh, no.
Good job losing your first fish.
Oh, no.
That's okay.
I tried to, like, show everybody. What a bummer.
We got a Grover. Grover. Oh, we got a grunt. Big enough for a fry. Keep one of those. We gotta get that Grover again though. That's a decent grunt. Keep him. We got a grunt and a Grover. And we got dinner.
Oh, I got something big. Oh my God. I don't know what. Well, I think it's big. I don't know what it is. Oh. Oh, it's a barracuda. Oh, it's a big one. Okay, calm down. You're gonna bite my toes. Oh my God, there's a hawk above me. Like, oh man, come and get it off this hook, hawk.
All right, Mr. Cuda, thanks for giving Meg a ride.
Whew, that was rough. Oh, you just pushed me into the mangroves.
Sorry,
Damn it.
okay, I'm working my way in. That was kind of a fun day with Meg. I'm in the Middle Keys area, Lower Matacumba to Key Largo is kind of where we've been staying. And you know, each part of Florida is different. East Coast, the West Coast of Florida. I've fished a little bit of Florida, but I'm sure Florida viewers will agree that the Keys have their own backwater fishery. But we had a good diversity slam. We had tarpon, grunts, barracuda, mangrove snappers. Meg had a nice mangrove. Working a yak gear pole, that made it a lot easier to just casually fish. And here's how we rig the shrimp for the most part. It's like a 2-0 circle hook inline. I use a little split shot, just gets it down there faster. And then one of these Cajun Thunder popping corks, 20-pound leader, easy stuff. You could probably skip the cork, the float too if you want to. You know, one mistake we're definitely doing since we're fishing together is making noise. This, you know, being quiet here would make a big difference in my opinion. I'm sure you'd catch a lot more fish. You know, as many good shrimp as you can have if you want to do more of the meat stuff. This is the mangroves are kind of covered, so this isn't a tide I'd like to fish. I think most people would agree the less water you have over the mangroves, sometimes it's a little easier to get certain fish to bite. We saw lots of schoolie tarpon today. That's what I've been seeing mostly in the backwaters here in Florida Keys. A lot of schoolie tarpon, you know, 10 to 20 pounders maybe tops. Well, that was the first redfish I've seen. We've been here for a week and change. That was the first red drum I've seen. So that's, you know, even though it's a fish I catch a lot of, it's a novelty and kind of cool to catch it in the Florida Keys in the crystal clear water. I think we're gonna head out tomorrow, try to get into some bigger water. I mean, if you look at forecasts here in the winter are tough for the kayak angler. It's 20 knots every day is really the Keys forecast. So it's a little tougher than a lot of areas too. So we made the most of it, caught some fish, had a good time for sure. So let's see what she's got as her thoughts. She didn't lose a single popping cork to the mangroves today. She had to go in there plenty to get them back, but she didn't lose a single one. So that's already a good sign. All right, and there'll be links in the video's description what we did. Pulling up and rigs and bubblers, and we didn't do too much lure fishing today. Maybe tomorrow we'll do more of that. Well, that's it. It was a good time. A couple fish. Could have kept a redfish. I feel weird about killing red drum. I don't know what it is. Yeah, it was the first fish of the day, that's true. Yep, all right, still blowing 20. We'll catch up with you guys later. Bye, Meg.